Start my timer down in the bottom corner there. Let's do 5 minutes of dotted notes in the form of an endless tresillo. Not the common tresillo which loops after one bar, or the 1 bar clave as it's sometimes called. This is a 3 bar clave, which is based on 8th notes. 1 and 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so that's the dotted basis of the tresillo at any note value. The 1, the 4, the 3, the 2, the 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. The 1 and R2 and 3 E and 4 E and R1 and 2 E and 4 and 1 E and 2. And that super fast one. And they all fit together.